Alright folks, coming up next is Amtrak San Joaquin train 710 on its way to Bakersfield. Here it comes now. Cat car leading this one out. This is a bi-level, one common car and an F59 PHI. 8307 Mount Baldy Ball leads off. Mount Baldy. 8307 Mount Baldy Ball. Merced River. Owens Valley, Feather River, Eel River, the common car and the F59 PHI in the back. We'll be right back after these commercial breaks. All right, folks, this is Amtrak 710 headed towards Bakersfield. 8307 Mount Baldy Ball leads off. Baldy bases leading this one. Folks, he's on his way to Bakersfield. Continue on to Richmond, Martinez, Antioch, Stockton, Modesto, Merced, Madeira, Fresno, Hanford, Corcoran, Wasco, and the final stop for that train, Bakersfield. At Bakersfield Station, there are bus connection service to Southern California, including LA Union Station, and also connection to the Surfliner to San Diego. I am Marcel Hall. Have a good Tuesday morning. Once again, this is Amtrak 710 with 8307 Mount Baldy Ball in 2006. Bye.